just like I remember.
Hey! What you got there?
Nothing.
If it's nothing, then give me it. Hookfang and I are making a ceremonial bust of yours truly, and we need all the junk metal we can melt down.
What? This isn't junk. It's my betrothal gift to Astrid. It means we'll be together forever.
Forever? Well, not if you give her that rusty old piece of... Hey, you know what would be a great idea? A decorative battering ram. Oh, how about a shiny new ball and chain? Wait, a bludgeon with her initials. Ow. Astrid.
Fish legs, unless this has to do with Hiccup's betrothal gift, the one I haven't gotten him yet, the one I have no clue where to start.
The ceremonial betrothal gift must be exchanged 6 moon cycles from the first announcement of a couple's, well...
Betrothal?
Yes! Ah, look at me! I'm a wreck! You think I was the one 48 hours away from complete disaster, but it's you!
What is wrong with you?
Astrid, wait, I can help. Okay, who knows Hiccup better than I do?
Me.
Good point. Then you know what an amazing gift giver he is.
Yes, that's the problem. Hiccup is not your ordinary Viking. He has a night fury. He can fly with a suit made of yak hides. He has a sword that ignites on command, and he's going to be the next chief of Berk.
Wow. Well, when you put it like that, you really are completely...
Hey, guys. I just got a T-mail from Trader Johann, and it didn't sound good.